Best laptop for students. Don't buy a laptop before watching this. Many students waste their money. Welcome to this channel. Help sales, phones, laptops, and many more. A good student laptop should have at least 8 GB of RAM. SSD storage, not HDD. SSD are more faster, more reliable, and easy access to apps. Intel E5 and Ryzen 5 processor. That is the third characteristic that a student laptop must have. Why? Faster performance, better multitasking. You can do many tasks at the same time. Open Adobe After Effects and then open AutoCAD at the same time. It will work perfectly. Longer lifespan makes more long and then lesser work to do and better performance. If you want, I can show you the best budget laptop in your country. Budget for student laptop depends from a certain price. Contact me for more. First of all, like, subscribe, follow the channel, and then on the next video you will see more about best series for laptop. Thank you.